Hari Om. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. 71 years ago, we became finally constitutionally free from 200 years of British rule, from 800 years of Mughal oppression. We became free. We became self-governed on this day. So we wish you all a very happy Republic Day. We are promised that we are a sovereign nation. Are we truly still free? Politically, yes. But Gurudev said, India is free, but not Indians. Are we free in our thought? Are we free and truly Indian in our culture? Have we yet recognized India's innate greatness, India's innate strength to be a world leader? Let us remember on this Republic Day and from now on to recognize India's greatness, to think the Indian way and truly be sovereign. India is socialist. The well-being of all people is our goal. So let us on this day make the resolve to always put the nation before self. Let our choices not be of selfishness, but of the well-being of everyone. In our businesses, in our preferences, let the environment, let the people be our concern. We are secular. We respect all religions. We allow every religion to thrive in our nation. Let us remember the source from which this thought rises. And any power which is trying to break this source, either from within or from outside India, let us be brave enough to stand up, to rise up, and to protect this source against such powers. And then we will continue to be secular. We are democratic and we are a republic nation, which means that we have the responsibility to win. We have the responsibility to take this nation forward by our choices. Democracy is not new to India. From the times of the Ramayana and Mahabharata, these principles existed. But democracy succeeds only when we are responsible. Let not petty profits break our resolve to send the best of people as our representatives to govern this nation. In this way, as very responsible citizens, let us protect this democratic and the republic right that we all have. I wish you all a wonderful Republic Day. India is rising, and in this rise, let us all work towards our nation's growth. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Hari Om.